Yo, my job being an accountant, is gonna fuel the keyboard addiction.
You're so stupid.
Homeboy didn't even say hi. I have to approach him. Okay, listen. I wasn't in school to get a girl, but you know, like Sleepy said, everything happens for a reason, you know? We met on the first day of school. Since then, it's been head over heels for... No, I'm just kidding. New training for kids later on down the road. The way you can be fully prepped. Listen, Jazz. Listen, it's not... No. It's not about... I'm not training... We're not training any... Not training for her, for kids. I am the kid. I'm the baby. Y'all can be a gaming power couple. Yo, we will be. Then he can stream his defeat? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna host Valo Customs when my girlfriend gets her PC.
Her team versus your team?
She's gonna make a team and then my team. Oh my god, she's talking shit already. She said she's gonna destroy me in Valorant. Oh, Dan. Bean said she was interested in getting a custom keyboard. Great, dude. Literally died. Literally died. It's super smooth.
He's hacking only using a mouse attached to the wall with a socket.
Yeah.
Whoa, yo, guys. Keyboard nuts. What's up, Riley? The big dog. Yo. Dude, okay, this
You
blade...
didn't know how to change the blade of the knife?
Okay. Backstory, guys. Come on. This blade... I've had it for a while, and I had the freaking refill thing, and for the longest time I didn't know how to change it, and then I showed my girlfriend, and I'm like, yo, like, I don't know how to change this thing.
You're 22, you don't know
And
how
then
to change
and then
it.
it literally took her like 1 minute. I've never had a blade in my life, dude. My mommy always told me not to play with sharp objects. Yo, oh, it's this right here.
Oh, other box?
Another box?
Another box?
Yo, what the? Why is it kind of heavy? This is low-key kind of heavy. Oh, okay. I'll open it like this. Bro! Oh my god, dude.
Oh, there's like...
No, I'm being serious. This
not... You're not... You can't be serious.
Oh, see?
Oh
Bro,
my
stop
God.
capping. Hurry it up.
I'm
Oh
not
my
capping.
God, there's a sleeve! There was a sleeve!
This is a sleeve, but it won't come off.
Bro, just cut it off.
Dude, but the packaging's so nice.
In there.
Dude.
Bro,
Oh, I got it. I know, she's the real MVP. If she never changed the blade today, this unboxing would have never happened.
Team wouldn't be...
Okay, we got that one off.
Alright, guys, I don't know how to change a blade, so that's the end of the stream.
That's the end of the stream. You loop all the switches and you get the box with. So
Okay, so the keyboard I got. Royal Blue, thank you for the follow, my guy. I appreciate.
That's a girl.
Oh, I'm just in general. I'm just saying Royal Blue. It's the white aluminum NK65. That's what I have right here. Oh, bro, another. It comes with a case. I mean, I knew it comes with a case.
Bro, it's a box within a box within a box. Within a Velcro box that's wrapped in duct tape that has an alligator biting into it. How many more, you know?
Oh, yo, okay. It comes with.
Oh my!
I didn't know it came with a coiled cable.
Well, it's fine, so.
Loki, that's kind of fire.
Someone redeemed bartender.
Oh, where's Igo?
Yo, wait, get him in here. I'm gonna use.
Igo's not here, dude.
And you guys sit.
Dude, we stay dance. Yo, this case is low-key nice, but I don't think I'll ever use it after this one. Dude, what kind of screw is that? shit, Jazz. Fucking turd, dude. Don't do that shit when I'm focusing. I'm so focused. Dude, this thing, this is the heaviest part. This thing's literally like, I'm not even joking, 10 pounds. No, I'm just kidding, not 10 pounds, like 5. Guys, clearly, if you haven't seen already, I'm clearly an expert at this.
Yeah, what your girlfriend said.
Come on, Bob, you gotta go to the gym, stop complaining about how heavy it is. Listen, okay? Bob, come on, you watch too many Keyboard Builder, you should be fast by now. Listen, okay? I just don't want to redo it. I don't want to like lube these stabilizers or like rush this build and then end up like having shitty stabs. Then I have to like take them all off again. What are you I'm literally doing it right now. It's not about how quick you are.
Should I send over some marshmallows to roast over there?
Dude, she's been roasting it this entire day and everybody's been laughing about it.
That's so fucking good. That's so good.
The switches. Time to get the switches.
They're all backwards.
They're all backwards. Are like, yo, I'm missing like.
He just
I'm
broke the
missing-
fucking pin.
I already messed up. Let's use a different switch. Maybe okay, maybe I'll put some switches on. Wait, why is it not going in?
Is it 3 pin or 5 pin?
It's 5.
You sure the switch is 5 pin?
No.
Or the
I mean, are you sure the switches are 5 pin?
that shit looks like 3s. That shit looks
It's
like
5.
Yeah.
Wait, it's actually not going in.
Sure, putting them in correctly.
Yeah, they're like you.
Dude, I'm retarded. I am wearing these noise canceling headphones and I thought they weren't going in, but they were apparently going in. I just couldn't hear the click.
You're so unreal right now, Gian.
I'm closing the stream and I'm going to.
Yeah, I'm unsubscribing. I'm gonna take
No,
away
I'm being
the
dead
gifted
ass.
subs.
Look, see? Dude, I could.
That's why.
That's why. Hold on. Let
Only
me.
30 only
That's why.
37%. Only 30.
Wait. Let me double check.
Double check it.
Oh,
that's
shit.
why. Yeah,
Whoa.
Cut the tape, cut the
That's
tape,
why.
cut the tape.
That's why. That's why. Hold on. Give it one more minute. Maybe it might go up. Hold on.
And this-
Yeah, Razors. Someone sponsor this kid. He got a mic. That's a Razer. Headset. That's a Razer. A mouse. That's a Razer.
Bro, we can see your thighs. Oh, you at the bottom of the screen.
You can see my what?
Your thighs.
So what, bro? Look at these. Massive.
It's so stupid.
Now, I'm using 9009 keycaps. I got you right here. Let's see the stabilizers first. That scared me. Oh, my stabilizers are kind of nice. Oh, that's the wrong key. Oh my.
No, I
Okay.
need you to type me a full sentence.
Type you a full sentence, bet.
I need you to hit the space bar, the backspace, the enter in a sentence.
You need
fuck?
to type a 5-page essay.
Do you see this, guys? Wait, is this showing properly?
Yeah, it's showing.
Okay. Escape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. First line's good. Tab. QWERTYUIOP. Ooh. No, the G doesn't work.
Ah!
GKL.
Wow.
Page up, delete, home, and arrow keys. Works. Got you.
Just do the rest. Just do the rest. Just do the rest.
The V doesn't work.
Bro,
Control.
what is your top right key? What is your top right key?
Windows. Okay. Alt. Okay. Spacebar. My
Yo,
top.
what is your top right key?
Delete. It says home. Mother.
You talk
Page
right now.
up, page down, and oh, I'm changing. This is home. I might change it to delete. I don't use home.
Try.
Oh, switches. I am using Gateron Ink Blacks. Sorry, dude.